Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine and doing well. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. Dear friends, today I am going to share with you very beautiful, very amazing, very stylish and very attractive wooden objects designs ideas. There are most attractive, most beautiful and most stylish wooden decoration pieces designs available here for you in this video. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. Dear friends, there are very fantastic designs, there are very awesome designs, there are very beautiful designs of wooden decoration pieces available here for you in this video. Dear viewers, first of all, I suggest you to kindly watch this video till end and keep spotting and keep watching my channel. And also press bell icon, because after pressing the bell icon you may get no notification of my all new videos. There are most attractive, most beautiful and most stylish wooden decoration pieces designs. There are most stylish designs, there are most beautiful designs, there are most attractive designs ideas. You can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive wooden decoration pieces online from different websites. Like you can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive wooden decoration pieces online from Etsy.com, eBay.com, AliExpress, Amazon. As we know that all these websites are very famous, and you can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish and most attractive wooden decoration pieces from here. There are very beautiful, very amazing, very stylish and very attractive designs ideas. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. There are very beautiful designs, there are very attractive designs, there are very amazing designs ideas. Most attractive, most beautiful, most stylish and most fantastic wooden decoration pieces available here for you in this video. You can decor your houses with these beautiful, amazing and most stylish wooden decoration pieces. You can decorate your lawn with these beautiful, amazing and most fantastic wooden decoration pieces. They are very fantastic, they are very awesome and they are very heart-touching designs of